Azzunique Software, software that thinks like you. What if your software actually worked for you? Imagine less hassle and more flow. Too many apps pulling you in different directions. It's chaos, right? Sound familiar? Enter Azzunique, your calm in the storm. Watch your workflow become a breeze. Custom dashboards tailored just for you. Smart automation handling the boring stuff. Real-time insights keep you ahead, no more guessing games or wasted time. And it's all seamless. Desktop, mobile, wherever you go, Azzunique goes too. Tailored for your business, backed by round-the-clock support and smooth integrations. From startups to enterprises, businesses across industries trust Azzunique to get it done. Ready for software that thinks like you? It's time to simplify and power up your workflow. Azzunique Software, uniquely yours. Visit azzunique.com and start your free trial today.